I was looking for a solution to the problem that we have when we go to Disney and find paper straws. They are such a pain and they just disintegrate in your drink. So, when I found this set of four colorful stainless steel straws, I knew that they would fix the problem. So, let's just dive into each one here. We do obviously have four colors, which are fun and bright. But what I love most is the carabiner. So this carabiner we will use to clip onto our Disney bag. So we always have a straw right there to use whenever they hand us a paper straw. So all you do is unscrew the case and your straw is inside. And I was a little surprised when I first opened them. I thought it would come with four straws and one cleaner. But as I extend it, and it is a little bit tough to extend it first, but once I had it fully extended, it was good. And then I found that the cleaner, wait a minute. There we go. The cleaner is inside. So I guess you take the cleaner out first. And not only does the straw extend, but the cleaner does too. I thought that was pretty cool. And it's got a great little brush on the end with pretty stiff bristles. And then when you're ready to put it away, you just telescope it back in. And then for the straw, they telescope into three. So 1, 2, 3 sections, which is nice. It is a stainless steel. So that's antimicrobial. And then it does have this rubber stopper on the end, which I've had on other straws. Those won't come off. And I'm always concerned about getting like ick down in this. But these actually come off so that you can clean the straw fully. And so the purpose of this little rubber stopper is so that this is the end that you'll put your mouth on. This is the end that goes down in your drink. So it doesn't pull out of your cup when you're drinking at any time. So then just to put it back in its case, you'll put it back together here. You'll put your little cleaner right back inside, which is so cool. And then drop it back in here. Put your top back on. And then screw it back on. And I think that we will use these not only maybe at Disney, but they're great for hiking, camping, anywhere that you would prefer to use your own straw instead of a regular straw. And, you know, honestly, if I'm not using as many straws that are plastic, this is probably a better option overall for the environment. So, yeah, I hope this was helpful and I hope you enjoy your Ecoangel straws as much as I will.